Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could create a YouTube channel. To do that, you will need simply to open your browser and type Gmail account creation. Hit enter. Next step, under support.google.com, you want to go to create a Google account, the second line. And here you can choose, do you want to create uh, this YouTube channel and Gmail account for your business or for yourself? For me, I will choose for myself and I will hit enter. Here I will enter my first name, my second name, and here I will enter an address which I can use. You can choose whatever address you want, and if it's available, it will tell you that this email is available. If not, it will ask you to change it. Password, you need to create or use 8 or more characters. And my best advice for you in this case that you use a password with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and use something which cannot be easily guessed by people. So for example, in this case, and here reconfirm the password, and I will click next. Here it will ask me for my phone number. I can always choose a phone number if I want. And also here it says Google will use this number only for account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purpose. I will enter my phone number. Next step, you want to choose a recovery email address. This is optional. And you can enter your date of birth. These details are important so that in case you've forgotten your password or so, you will be able to recover it. Here, gender, you can choose female, male, rather not to say your custom, as you like, and click next. You can choose manual personalization or express personalization. I will just choose express one, and I will hit enter. I will scroll to the bottom and confirm about privacy, and I agree. And here I have finished setting up. Continue a new Chrome profile. I will just click OK, and this will create a new Chrome profile. I will click done, and here I will open my gmail.com, and I should be logged in with my correct Gmail address. Continue with smart features, turn off smart features as you like. The smart features, automatic email filtering, smart search, smart compose. I will choose actually the first one and click next. Use limited version of Google product, personalize other. I will just use limited, and that's it. You can choose whatever you like in these options. Turn off features, and we are ready to go. Here we have created our Gmail account. Now automatically we have a linked YouTube channel. By typing YouTube, Control Enter, we should be able to see the YouTube channel link to my account. As you can see, here I have it linked to my email address. I will just go to YouTube Studio. And by the way, here you can choose the appearance device theme, and I will choose dark one, better for the eyes. And language, you can always change language as you like. Also, a restricted mode, you can choose what mode would you like to use. Activate restricted. Location, you can choose your location if you want, and you can even go further with settings. And here your YouTube channel, your channel, and I will click create a channel. Here I will name my channel as I want. And, and for the handle, you can use the first initials of your YouTube or of your Gmail address. So here I have used the initials of my email address created, and I will just create channel. You can always click upload pictures before if you want to upload a picture or a logo. Here it says your channel is being created, check back in few moments. I will do a refresh, and here is my channel ready to be used. Next step, you can click Customize Channel or Manage Videos if you would like to start going. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.